In this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your PC. So the first thing you want to do is go down here to the taskbar and click on search and search for settings. So type in settings and click on settings. And then once you're inside settings, you want to click on system over here on the left. Then you want to scroll down and look for where it says recovery, which is somewhere here in the middle, as you can see. And you want to click on this where it says recovery. And then you want to click on reset this PC under recovery options. So it says choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So you want to press on reset PC, which will perform a hard reset on your computer. And then once you click that, you will be asked to choose an option between keeping your files or removing everything. So if you want to keep your files, it will remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files. But if you want to remove everything, it will remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. So keep that in mind. And then once you choose the option, you want to click on next, and your computer will get everything ready. And once that's done, you will simply press the reset key, and your computer will automatically hard reset. It will automatically install Windows yet again and completely factory reset the computer as it was brand new.